Hi, welcome to this short little demonstration about my Shiny app. And here is my Shiny app. It's got about three different tabs, and each explains what each tab contains. I've got the different years within the GDP dataset, and I've got the variables that I've actually used for my modeling. And this basically just shows the distribution of your GDP, distribution of the box office class, whether it was high or low, any any box plots that shows us the outliers within each data set. And over here we can see, while classifying a movie whether they perform high or low in the box office, I've got a box plot here which can show us clearly that there are multiple outliers over here in the initial data set. I've got also another graph that talks about the missing values. So GDP data set is the highest, population data set has around 50, and box office has none. And this also shows a graph of the GDP versus total box office revenue. Um, I have also got a model performance. So this is when I was doing my binary classification modeling. I've got actually all four models, so as to get like a proper comparison of what's actually happened. I've got a decision trees with the confusion matrix and their accuracy as well. So I've got logistic regression. If you note, this is the one that performs the lowest. So 44% of the data is actually modeled correctly, or at least predicted correctly. And the KNN model is the highest so far with about 76%. Just coming back to the EDA plot, you can just choose any of the other variables like life expectancy, population, and these graphs are dynamic and they will accordingly change. Again, for population, like life expectancy for different sexes at birth, you can see there are some outliers over here that could result into some bad modeling of the data. I've got the other tab, which is your Lime function within R, which chooses the best features. And for now, it is selected with one test instance. So over here, you can carry on choosing how much ever you want to. So I'd say 5, and this would change accordingly. And I've got like a legend over here, which says if it's blue in color, it says it supports. Red, it contradicts. So you can dynamically keep changing this to whatever you want, and accordingly, the graph keeps changing as well. So yeah, so it's a very short and sweet, intuitive, shiny app, and hopefully people can understand what I'm trying to convey over here. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.